Alright, good morning. It's Roy. Welcome to my video today. Let's see here. I ordered something for the bike, for the saddlebags. Came in, ordered it from Amazon. Let's see what I got. Alright, let's see what I got here. Alright. From Kemimoto. I got some saddlebag organizers. There's been a couple of videos out there on these. For the right. For the left. Is all there. Got the cutouts there. So you just take your things off and put those in there. Your saddlebag latches there. They even got the cutout for the washer. So I'm gonna let these sit out for a little while to maybe. I guess it doesn't really matter. To flatten out. They also give you Velcro, double-sided Velcro here. I don't know if I'll use that or not. I may just put them in there like that, and then whatever. We'll see. But I'll put them in later on. I'll go outside and put them in the bike. So Kemimoto. All right, I'm out in my shed now. So all we got to do is open up the saddlebag, and let me see here. What am I going to do with my camera? See if that works. All right. So let's see here. We got this one. Oop, this one here says the right. Take the sticker off. All right. So just take one of these out, put it right in there. There we go. Get it close. Take the other one out. Let's see. There. I think that's good, right? No. Yeah, that's better. There. Right? There. There, this one has like a, big pocket here, big deep pocket. This one has another pocket. Then it has a zipper. I mean, not a zipper, Velcro. Alright, and then this one has a zipper. I don't think I'm going to use the Velcro. There. That side's done. There. Alright. On this side. Okay. Let's see. Got it in there. This one's got a little Velcro net. Got another zipper here. Another Velcro pocket, and a big zipper pocket, and another another open pocket. Yeah. Now I'm going to be able to put some tools in here. I don't know what. Let's see if I can put these in there. This is my Allen. I don't know. And then I got a... Oops. Put my Allen in here. I don't know if that's going to fit in there or not. I usually keep my... kickstand fucking pad in here, but on this side, but doesn't look like. I'll just leave it there like that. I don't know. It ain't gonna fit in these. Yeah. Let's see what else do I got. Yeah, I can put these in here. Right. There we go. There. I'll just keep that there. I like to keep them. Yeah. I don't know. I'll just keep it like that. Well, we'll see how long they last. They were $45, I think they were. I'll put a link in the description. They go right on easy. They fit good. So, just now I just got to fill them up. I always keep a couple towels in here. Just in case, you know. So, yeah, couple towels. So. Kemimoto, but I got cargo net and the straps, you know, in case I need to tie down my bike. So just the regular straps. So they were from my old bike. I got them in here. I don't have a lot of stuff to put in here yet, but yeah, you know. So we'll see how that goes. All right, quick and easy mounting. You just take off your two handles, your two whatever you call them, locking things there for your saddlebags, and you put them in there. We'll see how long they last. I usually don't carry a lot of stuff, but like I said, I'll put a link below in the description. Leave a comment below if you like this video, if you're interested in them or anything. Subscribe to my channel. I've gotten a few subscribers again recently. Could always use some more. Give a thumbs up if you like this video, and I'll see you next time. Thanks, bye.